2020, we took a road trip across the country from Tennessee to the Grand Canyon, to Yellowstone and then to Mount Rushmore, and then back to Tennessee. Along the way, we made several stops during this 2-week, over 6,000-mile adventure. One of our favorite stops was at the Duck Commander Tour. Now, it's located in West Monroe, Louisiana. This tour highlights the highly popular Duck Dynasty television series that aired on AMC. It lasted from 2012 to 2017. And all 11 of their highly rated seasons are featured there. We were able to experience the heritage and the history of the Robertson family, and how a flawed man named Phil Robertson invented what we call the duck call that's world famous now. We learned about his and his family's struggles as well as their redemption. This highly popular, family-friendly tourist destination will allow you to see behind the scenes of the Robertsons' home life, as well as their businesses and the television series, along with hunting supplies and merchandising of all kinds. And you can even see how this family continues to touch the lives of millions of people around the world. You'll learn how this family is still speaking regularly in churches, at private events, schools, and they've even taken the opportunity to share their lives as part of clothing lines, restaurants, and even more. Our family loved the opportunity to take part in the Duck Commander Tour. We even got to build our own duck calls that we're able to keep as souvenirs, so that was really great. If you're a fan of the show, it's definitely a must-see. And if you've never seen the show, well, I encourage you to find some of the reruns online, or it's available on just about, seems like, any television station. Then sit back and relax with the whole family and watch Duck Dynasty and be ready to laugh for hours as you watch Willie and Jace, Jep and Phil and Kay and Sadie, Uncle Si, and the rest of the family. After we had the opportunity to enjoy Duck Commander Tour, the following day we went over to have lunch at Miss Kay's Sweets and Eats. I cannot give this restaurant enough praise. The food was absolutely phenomenal, the service was great, and the atmosphere was a ton of fun. So the next time you're in West Monroe, Louisiana, make sure that you take advantage of all of the Duck Commander experiences.
A Dream Come True Travel plans dream destinations, both domestic and international. You can find us at adreamtravels.com for travel planning tips for your dream destinations.